550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Medevac, med service 056, on departure, turn right heading 290, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 25010. Medevac, med service 056, affirmative. On departure, turn right heading 290, runway 24, clear for takeoff. Medevac, med service 056, contact Philly departure 123.8.
123.8, Mike Tango Sierra 056 Medevac. Thank you, good day.
Med service 056 Philadelphia. Med service 056 Philadelphia.
Medevac, med service 056, northeast tower, contact Philly 123.8.
Med service 056 Philly.
Medevac, med service northeast tower. Medevac, med service 056, northeast tower, you on frequency?
Medevac, Mike Tango Sierra 056, northeast tower, how do you hear this transmission?
Northeast tower ground, 6098
Negative, we...
Med service 056 Philadelphia. Exit at 765, cancel the approach clearance, turn right heading 330.
Medevac, med service 056, northeast tower.
Exit at 765, it's going to be a minute at northeast. They're having a little bit of an issue. I can offer you Philly International or Trenton if you need to get on the ground now-ish. Exit at 765, Roger. Climb maintain 3000. I'm going to have to delay vector you. I just don't want to get into MVA territory. Med service 056 Philadelphia.
Digit 765, how much time before you have to divert somewhere else?
I've got an hour or more of, about an hour anyway.
Okay, are you guys good with vectors, or you want me to put you somewhere in holding?
Whatever works for you, we're fine either way.
Okay, I'm just going to vector you around for a little bit. If you need anything along the way, just let me know. Okay, expect further clearance. Let's call it 0013. If you don't hear anything before that, just advise, and I'll give you something prior to that, I'm sure.
Slowly pick up high park lane.
56098 Foxtrot, northeast ground, roger. Stand by one, I'll get back to you, Mike.
So 765, looks like there might have been an accident near Northeast Philly Airport. They are closing the airport indefinitely. Let me know if you have any divert airport information or if you need anything else along the way.
Philly northeast ground, exact 765.
Chicks at 765 northeast ground, go ahead.
Approach to runway 24, what's going on down there?
Ditch at 765, we have a lost aircraft. We're not exactly sure what happened, so we're trying to figure it out. For now, the field is going to be closed, so no inbounds or outbounds probably.
All right.